So throughout the building, we've got these new cooker taps that are able to do cold, hot, and boiling water. If you just want cold water, it's just the little lever you can see here. Swing it all the way to the right, and then it's just lifting and lowering, pretty standard, and then hot to the left. The boiling water really is boiling, so it is useful to just be considerate of whether you're left-handed and moving this out of the way or right-handed and moving this out of the way, just because it literally is boiling straight away. You don't have time to sort of make adjustments when you're already using it. So you actually control it with the dial that's at the top here. If I press this down, you can see that a red light starts to show on the neck of the tap. That means that it's hot and it's ready to go. So you press down twice, and then down and twist. And then to stop the tap, you just turn the dial back around to the left again. It's probably best to have the vessel under the tap and quite close to the tap. You can see it does spray a little bit, so have it in place before you turn the boiling water on. And then when you're ready to move away, turn the tap off. It's very easy to catch your fingers in the boiling water if it's still on when you're moving the vessel away.